Good evening to all. Today, I would like to discuss an important topic related to the 10th class public examinations in social studies, that is, comment question. Usually, students must think comment questions in three aspects. First of all, analyze it. Second one, interpret. And third one, express your opinion. See, first in the analyzed topic, what you have to do is think about different parts of that particular question. You have to explain something after thinking. Second one, to interpret. To interpret means to explain. Finally, express your opinion. In this way, we have to divide it into three parts and we have to write the question answer. See, understand what comment question is. It usually starts like questions almost all comment on, otherwise explain our opinion on. Do you agree with this statement? Why or why not, like that questions are also going to be asked. For perfect answering of the comment questions, read the textbook carefully, the most important one. Identify the important statements, quotes, issues which are coming in the chapters. For example, I would like to say, democracy is the best form of government. One statement. Globalization has both positive and negative impacts. This may be given as a comment. So we'll see some of the answers also later on. Here, for another important questions for comments writing, do you agree with the statement, equality is the soul of the democracy? Give reasons like. Comment on the statement, globalization creates both opportunities and challenges. So in this way, comments may be given. Here, I would like to explain one or two examples. Here, democracy is the best form of the government. Do you agree? Why? This is the question that is given. Here, first of all, we have to write the meaning of democracy. Democracy, as we know the definition of the people, by the people, for the people, may be one of the points like you may write. Next, democracy gives people the right to vote and choose leaders of their own. Next point, it protects equality and also freedom of all the people. People can express their opinions freely in democratic countries like that. Last conclusion, like you may write like that. Yes, democracy is the best because it gives power to the people, like that we may write. So in this way, few more I would like to discuss. See, the French Revolution spread the ideas of nationalism. Comment like that, a question if they asked. See, the French Revolution started a new national spirit. This is the introduction point. A new national spirit that was developed in Europe. Another point, people got the idea of the liberty, equality, fraternity. This is the most important aspect in the French Revolution. So you have to stress liberty, equality, fraternity. And even during the French Revolution, national symbols and new flag were also introduced by themselves. See, the ideas of the French Revolution was inspired many other European countries, and they also started freedom struggles. Finally, conclusion, the French Revolution gave birth to nationalism in European countries. See, another I would like to discuss. Agriculture is the main source of livelihood in India. Comment like that if a question is given. See, even in the 21st century, most of the people in our country depending upon agriculture sector, almost all 53% people still getting employment opportunities in agriculture sector. For this, we may write most Indians depend upon agriculture. Above 50% people work in agriculture. Agriculture provides raw materials for industries, some of the agro-based industries. Agro-based industries, example also you may write cotton, sugar, this type of jute, etc. may I mention. This is important for economy, not only for economy, for exports. In conclusion, agriculture is the backbone of India, so this is very important in our economy. In this way, you may write a number of examples. Another important in economics part, unemployment is a big problem in India. Comment. Say, introduction. Many people in our country do not have jobs because of overpopulation. And also, in most of the occasions, here in India, seasonal jobs, particularly in agriculture. Because as we know, agriculture seasons, because of the lack of irrigation facilities, few seasons, that means few months only they were having work. So, seasonal jobs in agriculture, for example, of sugar industry. Population is growing very fastly in the country, creates poverty and migration of the people from one place to another place. All these were going on. In conclusion, we need more employment opportunities. More employment opportunities may generate both government sector and private sector also. So in this way, we may write that comment related to the agriculture. See, one more I would like to discuss with you. Sustainable development is the need of the hour. Comment like that given. As we know the meaning of the sustainable development means development is required without damaging already developed. Development should not harm the environment. So, in point wise, we may write use resources carefully for future generations. If we are not having forethought, coming generations may not use the resources. So, whenever you are going to use the resources, use carefully for keeping future in our mind. Another important one, plant trees and control pollution. Pollution is becoming a great problem, so plant more trees. Renewable energy should be used instead of non-renewable things. As we know the meaning of the renewable sources, it may be reused in innumerable times. So conclusion, sustainable development protects life and nature, so all we must develop the sustainable development only. So in this way, we may write comment questions. So particularly in introduction, next analyzing, and last and final conclusion. In this way, we may write that comment questions. In coming days, I will do almost all the comments which comes in all the chapters of our 10th class. Thank you one and all.